Howdy. Local chimney and super bubbles. UC Berkeley. Znrs. Large illustration. So that's our galaxy. We are here. We are here. And that's the local chimney. Let me draw. You can see the line there. So that's a cross-cut through the arm of the galaxy where we're in. The local bubble of low density, hot and ionized gas is actually part of a tube-like chimney that extends through the local region of the spiral disk into the surrounding galactic halo. And so can act as a vent for the energetic hot gas produced by supernova. Novae? The galactic superbubbles around the solar neighborhood. Astronomers have known since the 1970s that the solar neighborhood lies in the middle of an enormous local bubble of million-degree ionized hydrogen gas surrounded by a wall of colder, denser, neutral gas. Within this hot bubble, gas density is much sparser with some 100 to 1,000 times fewer hydrogen atoms than the average density of the rest of the Milky Way spiral disk. The local bubble was thought at first to be an asymmetric cavity of 330 to 490 light years, 100 to 150 parsecs in diameter. One portion of the local bubble's wall appears to have collided and merged with the shell of another enormous bubble of hot ionized gas that's called Radio Loop 1. Located far above the galactic plane, within 490 light years of the local bubble. Loop 1's brightest feature, maybe it's I or 1, I don't know, brightest feature of the North Polar spur, which is thought to be created by supernovae and stellar winds from the 13-million-year-old Scorpius-Centaurus Association of young and massive OB-type stars. In addition to Loop 1, or I, astronomers have also detected two other expanding bubbles nearby, called Loop II and Loop III. Over the last 5 to 10 million years, the solar system has been moving through the lower density region of interstellar gas of the local bubble. As a result, Earth and its life forms have avoided dangerous flows of cosmic radiation and gas. Might be because the sun is protecting us. Astronomers, however, have discovered a denser cloud of interstellar gas about 25 light years in diameter called the local fluff, or local interstellar cloud, that is moving towards the solar system, stretched out towards constellation Cygnus. The stellar winds of young stars in star-forming region of the Scorpius-Centaurus Association near the Aquila Rift, a high-density molecular cloud, have been blowing the local fluff so that its denser parts may reach Sol's heliosphere in around 50,000 years. Or maybe it's hitting now. Local bubble. Scorpion. Taurus. Orion. Yeah, maybe got to dive into this one a bit deeper. Centaurus Association around 4 million years ago has created strong yeah, probably not. Some wisp of the local fluff's denser gas may already have blown into the solar system earlier. 33,000 and 60,000 years ago. Oh, sorry. Astronomers hypothesize that such gas clouds can suppress the solar winds so that interstellar gas and dust enters the solar system in quantities great enough to affect the sun and life on Earth. So it might be the 12,000 year cycle, which we are about to witness right now. We are witnessing it. It's going on. The galactic current sheet. Maybe they're talking about. At the moment, a powerful stellar wind from the young obese stellar association of the local bubble's expanding neighbor, the Loop 1 bubble, is pushing the local fluff aside at the rate of 12 miles or 20 kilometers per second. That expanding bubble, however, is also pushing other clouds of gas towards the solar system. Although past observation line studies towards stars within 330 light years of Sol, is Sol our sun? Maybe. Had suggested that the local bubble is deficient in neutral gas, e.g. sodium or natrium-1. Astronomers found it slow and difficult to define its actual size and shape. It was known that a neutral gas-free tunnel extends some 820 light years towards the star Mirsam, Beta Canis Majoris, but the lack of data at high galactic latitudes made it difficult to find the contours of the local bubble. Soft X-ray shadowing data toward Ursa Major suggested that the hot gas of the bubble extends at least 1,000 light years into the galactic halo. However, the clustering of extragalactic extreme ultraviolet sources at high galactic latitudes was consistent with one hypothesis that the local bubble may actually be part of a cylindrical cavity that pierces the galactic, dubbed the local chimney. A tubular cavity penetrating the local disk. So let me draw something. This is our galaxy. It's a bit denser in the middle. We are somewhere here. Let's take another color. Yellow. The sun. We are here. This is our sun. And there is this Taurus, what they're talking about. Shooting out. And I think this is connected straight to the center of our galaxy. It's our Birkeland current. Our galaxy's Birkeland current, which is, no, not galaxy, solar system's Birkeland current, which connects us to the center of the galaxy. But anyway, that picture, can we zoom in? We can. This one came instantaneously to my mind today when I was doing a little bit of winter preparations. And it wasn't planned or whatsoever that I would see this kind of thing. I just thought I make a quick video, like doing mundane stuff. And as I threw this, they are rather heavy. They don't seem to be. I'm surprised how heavy they are. It's really dense wood. This has been an old tree, but obviously you can see it wouldn't have been standing too long anymore. This was something we had to do before the winds rise here. And I expect they will rise also here once. And it would have reached the house if it would have fallen into the right direction. Now it fell to the other side. But anyway, I just noticed that maybe I try to make it a little bit smoother or something, but I don't know if I have time for that. But I just somehow thought it's very interesting. We're all connected. You can see many things if you're just watching with the right eyes. you know. It's very interesting. Local chimney. Yeah, and it's firewood. So it will go through a chimney. But anyway, thanks. Bye.